Yo, it's Rico with No Boring Concrete. How's everybody doing today? So we are in North Lakeland and we're just wrapping up this job. We're just really doing a final cleanup. We wrapped it up last week. It started raining Friday, Saturday. I told the guy he can't drive on it for 3 days anyways. So we would come back Monday, which is today, to peel up the tape, clean off the edges, and make sure everything looks nice and clean. If there's any touch-ups, we would address that at this moment as well. So this guy had a driveway and he lives in a neighborhood with HOA. The driveway had something spilled on it. Don't know what it is specifically, but it crusted over. It just looked like a big oil stain. We were able to grind it off, but when you grind it off, now you have the differential of seeing like new concrete, because it's a new driveway, new house, versus what we ground, and so that would stick out like a sore thumb. So what we did is we did an overlay, which is a thin layer of concrete, goes right over the existing driveway. It gives it a resurfaced, brand new look, refreshed look, and then we go ahead and seal it with a pre-tinted or pre-colored sealer, so it's not just a clear. He wanted a light gray, so we did just that. But before we get into this, we're in the concrete house. There's a story behind that, so I will touch on that on another video. The other thing I want to touch on right now is this little thing right here. So if you see this car around Poole County, Lakeland area, Tampa, Orlando, A&B, because we take this thing everywhere, there's going to be some giveaways that are going to be included in that, so stay tuned for that as well. But this is the project itself. Like I said, it's a brand new, subdivision, and this was the driveway. The big, area was right there. There's a couple drops over there. This area right here is stained as well, but I didn't want to get too much into that portion right there. But everything else looks really, really good. So like I said, we resurfaced everything, and then we went through and recut all the saw cut joints, because the concrete material, we're just kind of going left to right, just trying to get it down. We're in the heat of the sun, and so it was cooking, and it was not allowing us to flow with the material as nice as we wanted. And so we filled in a lot of these joints, but we went back and re-cleaned them out, so you still see the lines put in there, the saw cuts there. We had taped off all these edges as well and then re-cleaned them up, so all that looks good. Edges over there looks really clean up against the house. We lifted up the garage door, painted right up to that ledge. Maybe we'll come back and do that garage floor. He's still thinking about that one. And then we took it all the way up to the walkway here, giving it a nice clean appearance there. And so he's totally happy. The father who stopped in during the day, freaking me out, he's like, "Hey, I need a permit. Where are you guys? You guys need to stop." I'm like, "Excuse me?" And he's like, "I'm just kidding." So he just came in to pick up something out of the garage, but while he was here, he was giving us some compliments. Some people in the neighborhood stopped by, wanted some estimates and quotes. So I would say this job is definitely a success. It's a small job, straightforward. We're able to tie it in with another small job that we're doing in the area, and it was a win-win-win. If you have a project in the Polk County area, doesn't matter where it's at, for the most part, we do concrete countertops, we do epoxy coatings in the garage, we do the driveways, patios, pool decks, lanais, all that stuff. We can make concrete look like wood, stone. We can stain it, we can polish it. There's tons and tons of stuff that we do. We even do stonework, blockwork, brickwork, pavers, all that good stuff. NoBoringConcrete.com is where to find us, where you can find us. And then we also have a YouTube channel, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. So we're all over social media, and we will be dropping very soon our new merch apparel brand website as well, so people can purchase some of the stuff that we've already been posting. People have been loving it. We've been getting great feedback, and shout out to those who've already bought stuff. There's some guys putting in some big orders. I'm just like, whoa. I'm a little shocked. I was like, okay. And then they call me to say, wow, this actually looks better in person than it does in the photos. And I'm like, dang, I take some pretty good photos too. I'm not trying to brag, but I got a nice phone. Anyways, NoBoringConcrete.com. We're out. On to the next one. See you.